Lab 100, Group Discussion Activity. The group discussion activity that we're going to look at now, it's a great source of discussion activities, it's a great way of learning new vocabulary, and a great way of really motivating students to be interested and do different things in the classroom. Creating the group discussion activity is a very simple method. First, we click New Session. We're going to add all of the remaining students to that session. Next, from the drop-down menu of selecting the activity, we're going to select the group discussion. In terms of our source, we're going to leave this as none. What I've done in preparation is I've created some discussion questions which I've added to a Word document. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this Word document available on the projector, which the students will be able to see in the classroom at all times. What we're going to do next is we're going to actually put the students together into groups. At the moment, we have 3 students per group, and we can see all of our students here are added to group 1. If we had more students in the classroom, we would be able to increase the group size or reduce the group size, and we can obviously choose fixed groups, looking at students that are sitting close to one another, or we could randomize the groups, or completely select things by manual process. What we want to do now is we want to start the students off in their discussion activity. So I'm going to select the fixed groups and now click Start on the activity. What the students can do now is that all the students within that group are now be able to discuss the discussion activity and to engage with one another, learning new vocabulary and to discuss topical areas that will be of interest to them. I can click on one of the students if I want to listen in. Now I'm listening to what Jack's saying and Jack's interaction with the rest of the group, and if I want to intervene, I can do so by simply clicking on the intercom. Now I can join the group discussion and add my comments and points. Once I'm happy with that, I can move by closing and move across to listen to John's input as well. This is a very simple method of me keeping control of the group, but also making sure that the exercise and the discussion activity is running smoothly. Once I've completed the exercise, I can click End, and I can collect the activity itself so that we can listen back later. I'm not going to do that this time, so I'm just going to close the session. Once I've completed, I click Exit the session.